Welcome to the Faroe Islands. In this video I'm going to show you the best places of the biggest island, Streymoy. We start with Fossa. It's the biggest waterfall of the Faroe Islands. This village is one of the oldest on the Faroe Islands. It was founded by Vikings. The road to the village is narrow. It has only one lane. It's a usual thing on the Faroe Islands. This is Saksun, and this bay is filled with seawater when it's high tide. This is a cool location for flying a drone. It's huge, there are no trees or wires, here is no wind, so you can fly absolutely safe. this channel there are other videos about Faroe Islands and other great destinations. Thanks for watching, If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!